I work on several projects in Jira. How to get history of changes for all projects where I work. Follow the next steps. 1. Open an advanced issue search and create JQL filter. 2. Select all projects where you want to find changes. 3. Save this JQL request as a filter. 4. Apply filter for issue history for Jira with updated by option. Choose the user for who you want to see changes. Done, we've got the result. 4 steps, and you've got all issue changes made by a specific person for multiple projects. Asterisk, if you are not issue history for Jira user, you need to install the add-on first. Check how it works for you.